In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma Auto Layout Wrap. Figma is the go-to tool for collaborative interface design, and mastering its features can enhance your workflow significantly. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to set up and use the Auto Layout Wrap feature. First, you want to head over to Figma's website. It's the hub for all your design needs, offering an intuitive platform that allows for seamless collaboration. If you already have an account, the next thing to do is to click on the Login button. This will take you directly to your Figma dashboard, which serves as the starting point for all your design projects. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home screen. This is where you'll find all your recent projects and any shared files. The home screen acts as your central base, making it easy to manage your workflow and keep track of what you've been working on. From here, find the Design tab. Clicking on it will take you into the design mode where all the magic happens. In the design area, you will see various tools and options at your disposal. To kick off the process, click on Frame. This is a crucial step, as frames in Figma act like containers that hold your design elements. They are a fundamental part of organizing your design work, ensuring everything stays neatly aligned and within bounds. With your frame set, the next step is to add an auto layout. By clicking on Add Auto Layout, you are opting to let Figma arrange your design elements automatically as you add or remove items. This feature is essential for maintaining consistent spacing and alignment, which can save you time and manual effort. Finally, click on Wrap. The wrap function is a game changer, especially when designing fluid layouts that adjust automatically based on the content's size. This means your elements will wrap onto the next line if there isn't enough space, similar to how text wraps in a document. This functionality is particularly useful for responsive design, ensuring your layouts look great on any device. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering the Auto Layout Wrap feature in Figma. This tool not only aids in creating flexible and responsive designs, but also helps maintain consistency throughout your project. Remember, the key to a great design is not just about aesthetics, but also about functionality and user experience. With these tools at your disposal, you can create beautifully organized layouts with ease. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Be sure to practice these steps on your Figma projects, and you'll see improvements in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on design mastery.